Innovations in pulp and paper have been at the forefront of sustainability, driving change in sectors as diverse as packaging to fashion, from the raw materials being used to the products being produced, and the energy being consumed. As demand for plastic-free alternatives grows, manufacturing is keeping its pace, reimagining resources and processes, all with circularity top of mind. At ABB, we're working with all our pulp and paper customers to make this vision a reality. We're helping customers produce sustainable, fiber-based alternatives to single-use plastics, harness and create renewable biofuels, and generate not just energy savings, but surpluses, enough to support the electricity of local homes and communities. Using decades of industry understanding, our electrification, automation, and digital solutions are driving real progress. Customers are achieving results at pace, adding insight to their processes to refine pulp production, achieve process efficiencies, and reduce energy consumption, making it possible to improve both production rates and the quality of the end product. Real progress has made data more visible and harnessing it more achievable. Mills can now predict production adjustments, stabilize cooking and washing, reduce alkali and pollutants, and regulate the essential demand on water, all in real time. Manufacturing must continue its pace of evolution to achieve truly sustainable, net zero operations. That's an ambition we, together with our customers, are committed to achieving. And through collaboration, we'll continue to make real progress.